Hey guys, Patricia Zars here, your Texas pool concierge. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back. Now, I know when people are looking at options for getting in-ground pools, one of the biggest things they consider is the overall cost of ownership of the pool. So of course there's the initial cost of the pool, but then the cost of ownership, how much is it going to cost to keep this pool maintained over the lifetime that you have the pool? And we've talked a lot on other videos about how one of the benefits of fiberglass pools is the lower overall cost of ownership. But one of the big costs to consider with a swimming pool is the cost to resurface the finish of the pool. So today on Pool Talk with Trish, I'm going to answer the question, does a fiberglass pool need to be resurfaced? So let's dive in. Okay, so you may have seen on some of my previous videos where we've discussed a lot of the different benefits of fiberglass pools, one of them being how much lower the overall cost of ownership is for fiberglass pools. And we've also discussed on some of these videos how expensive the process of resurfacing a pool can be. Now, with your concrete or gunite swimming pools, they do typically have a plaster surface that's installed on top of the concrete. The plaster is put on top of the concrete because the concrete is a very porous surface, and without it, the pool really wouldn't be able to hold water. And the plaster also helps seal up some of those pores, which helps for growth of algae and bacteria and things like that. And we've talked about how that plaster needs to be resurfaced every, say, 7 to 10 or 12 years on a concrete pool. And that resurfacing comes with a pretty high price tag. So does a fiberglass pool ever have to be resurfaced? Well, not like a concrete pool does. You don't have the plaster that would need to be resurfaced on the pool. Your fiberglass is typically going to have a gel coat surface that's made of resin that's on top of the different layers of fiberglass. And with most of your high quality fiberglass pools, your top manufacturers like Latham pools and Imagine pools, that gel coat's going to be very high quality. And you're most likely not going to have to do anything to the surface of it for decades. With some of the lower quality fiberglass pool shells, you may have to address gel coat issues in, say, maybe 15 to 20 years. It's kind of one of those you get what you pay for things. But for most of your very well manufactured pool shells, you're just simply not going to incur that cost or that headache of having to redo anything to the surface. We've talked also about how maintenance can affect the gel coat surface. So again, you want to make sure that you're not using any harsh chemicals that aren't made for use on fiberglass pools, and that you're not using too many chemicals in the pool. So with swimming pools being a long time investment, you definitely want to look into the quality of the pool that you're getting, and you want to make sure you're maintaining it properly. And then the good news is, because you chose fiberglass, you're not going to have to deal with the headache or the cost that goes along with resurfacing the pool. Now, if you do run into the issue where you have a fiberglass pool that needs to be resurfaced, it's not too difficult of a process. It does need to be done by someone who is experienced and knows what they're doing, and in most cases, you can be back up and swimming in no time. The gel coat surface is actually the most durable of any of the pool surfaces out there. And when you combine it with the non-porous fiberglass, and of course proper maintenance, and the incredible structural warranty you get, when you choose a fiberglass pool, you've got a pool that's going to last you for decades. If you have any questions at all, you can always reach out. Just call or text 210-834-7054. I'm always here to answer any and all of your pool questions. I look forward to talking to you soon, and I look forward to helping you get swimming. Oh, and while y'all are here, I'd love to see your comments, as always. And if you have any questions, post them below. If you found this content valuable, like it and share it out with anyone else you feel may benefit from it. And if you're on my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and you hit that little bell icon so that you get notified of any new future content. I'll see you guys soon.